welcome back, guys. In today's video, we're going to be going over some stuff that you guys can get for free down in the description. These are presets for hit films. Both links for the software, if you don't have it, are in the description, and the presets themselves. You're getting a decent amount of presets, and these are a mixture of visual effects and transitions. So you're getting about like a lot. I'm not even sure. I was hoping it'd say a number. Probably around like 20 or more. And I'm going to show you how to use these real quick and actually import them into hit films. So that's it. Let's get started. What we're going to do is unzip the zip folder that you guys have downloaded from the Google Drive link, and that's going to unlock all these preferences for you guys. Alright, so if you're not already in hit films for this, you want to go into hit films and open a new project or open a current project. Go to start editing. And what you want to do is go down to presets, and I passed it. So I already have a folder made because I was using these already. So we're just going to remove that folder with all the presets in them. We're going to go down to new folder, and we're going to name it hit film presets. We're going to click on that folder and then click import presets. Click on the first one and scroll down to the bottom, shift, and then click on the last one, hit open, and this will import all the presets, there we go, into this folder. Might give it a minute because there's a bunch of them, and then you can use them, and that's basically how you import them. Alright, so the first thing you're going to need obviously is some footage. So we're going to import some footage here. And I'm just going to use some random stock footage I have. So, I'm going to show you, because these are made by two different people. One's, I'm going to try and explain it to where it makes sense. So one is where you actually make each composition shot for each cut. So I'll show you what I mean by that. So we're going to drag this guy here onto the timeline, hit yes, and we are going to zoom in a bit, set it to frame size, hit the frame, and it just by default it has this black border around it. And then we're either going to hit Control M or right click and go to make composition shot, hit OK. Alright, and now let's say if you're editing a gameplay and you already did your cut edits, what you could do is go back to your editor and let's say this is bam, do the cut edit without making that weird noise, do the random cut edit. So we'll do it to where she's going up, and then cut it, and then obviously make this a composition shot. So Control M, hit OK, and then go back to this one, right? And what you want to do is, I want to try this at least, because my original idea was to bring this composition shot into this one, but I got a better idea. So we're going to go down to the effects and get down to our presets, and we're just going to do these ones. Where is it? Where are you? There you are. So we're going to drag the number one clip onto this guy here, and what we're going to do is move this guy, move these keyframes down to the end. I'm just curious if this is gonna work. There's a good chance that it won't, but we'll see. And then we're gonna take the number 2 one for a perspective spin. and throw it on this guy here, and we're not going to touch it. Now we go back here, and let me see if this actually worked. So we see them. And then there you go. So that's how you basically do is make 2 different composition shots, and then put the different effects, move the keyframe for the first one down to the end, and then basically that's how you do it. For these ones that are numbers, I'll show you what these Evo HD ones do. So some of these are going to be like effects, and then the other ones are going to be actual transitions. The ones that are actually transitions are labeled transitions, I believe. So, as I said, let's make a clip here. I'm actually just going to use this bride one for another example. We're just going to have it on our own, except we're going to take this black out. Composition shot. Hit OK. And then we're going to go back to our effects. And this is kind of like an effect transition. But as you can see, instead of using 2 clips, just using 1. I don't know why it's like so ugly like that. And then transitions. Is that from the glow? Yeah. So basically with this one, what you have to do is literally just add a keyframe of 0 for the intensity on the glow, and there you go. So that's basically what I mean. So like basically for the Evo ones, you basically have to do your cut edits first, render it out, and then bring the clip back in to do the actual transitions for it. Or the other one where you have to already have the clips separate, and then just make 2 separate compositions and do the other, bring in both effects onto the 2 different clips. So that's it, guys. Like I said, there are links in the description for you guys if you want to download these. It's completely free, and if you want this series to continue, make sure to hit that like button for Freebie Friday. And then also, while you're at it, why not hit that subscribe button and notification bell to let you know when I post the next video. That said, thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next video.
Enough foreplay, baby, this my domain. Don't wait, take the wheel and we can go play. Oh, you a bad girl, know what you like, yeah. Said you like your eggs with a little sunny side, yeah. Said you make them beg for seconds every time, yeah.